This scene will be familiar to those of you who play Stardew Valley, and for those who haven't heard of it, it's a farming and adventure game where you build relationships with the locals in a small town. And every summer the town holds a Hawaiian-style festival called Luau. The townsfolk bring ingredients to add to a communal soup, then the honorary guest, the governor, takes a spoonful and judges the soup of the year. If he likes the soup, the whole town likes you more. And this story is a very useful analogy to understand statistics. In order to tell how salty, spicy, tangy, and tasty a soup is, we don't have to separately taste each and every ingredient people bring to it. We can just take a random spoonful of the mix and make our judgment. This is where statistics gets most of its power from. The world is full of things we cannot fully observe, but we can take a partial taste and it can give us insights into things that we don't have direct information about. In statistics, we call this large pot our population and the spoon our sample. And we can think of the governor's judgment as an estimate of the true taste of the soup. We use the sample to estimate to better understand the population overall. This process of using a sample to understand a population is called statistical inference. This soup analogy works beyond explaining population and sample. If you have a chunky soup with meatballs, you may need a bowl to properly taste it instead of a soup. If you see oil at the top, you may need to take samples from different parts to make a fair judgment. And if the soup is fresh and the flavors didn't get to mingle yet, you may need to stir it a little bit before giving it a taste. All these cases have different names in statistics, and we will cover them more in depth in future lessons. For now, let's focus on the terms of the lesson: population, sample, and estimate. Okay, we got the soup analogy, but let's give a few more examples to these concepts. If you interview 20 people in your school, then those 20 is your sample, and everybody in the school, including the 20 you interviewed, is the population. The whole point of studying a sample is to make an estimate, an educated guess about the whole population based on what we observe in the sample. If the average sibling count in your sample is 2, then you can guess that the average sibling count in the whole school is around 2 as well.